Welcome to C-IKNOW, the social network analysis software brought to you by the Sonic Laboratory at Northwestern University. In this video, you, as a survey administrator, will learn how to create an entire survey from the very beginning to its final delivery to the end user. As an admin, you are able to use the powerful and flexible functions of C-IKNOW as a social network data collection tool. Multiple admins can also use C-IKNOW to work together in collaboration. As you work through the basics of C-IKNOW, you may want to refer to our many other videos that lay out other basic features. Before we begin, I want to point out the specific points that this video will cover. We first will learn how to create a simple survey question and how to preview the survey. We then will learn how to manage the questions in an entire survey. Finally, we will learn how to utilize the advanced configurations that will allow for further customization. After you have created a new C-IKNOW, you can log in using your unique username and password. You will be taken to the Administration tab, which can be seen here on the left side of the screen. Make sure the Preferences tab is selected on the top of the screen. You should now see a page that allows you to fill out a name for your survey and a short description. In this case, I will call my survey Survey Design, and I will give a short description about it. You can establish and change the administration email in the box below the description. Don't worry about the advanced configurations. We will return to those once we have completed our survey. Let's start our survey by making the first question. Navigate to the Survey Design tab at the top of the screen. On the new page, you will see a table that allows you to manage and rearrange the survey questions. To create a new question, scroll down to the yellow administration bar and click New. This will open a new page. I will label this question Question 1. The name box is only for C-IKNOW's internal code and cannot exceed 15 characters. Now we must choose a question type. There are 19 question types to choose from. For more information on these types, watch the 19 question types video. In our case, let's make a simple choice question, which will allow users to answer based on multiple options. Now let's click Create. The new question appears in the Question Manager field. After selecting the questions, options to modify it will appear on the right-hand side of the window. Under the Info tab, we can type in the information that we want our respondents to answer. Under the Categories tab, we can fill out the answers that we want our respondents to choose from. Once we have the question created, we can preview the survey by either clicking on the Preview button on the yellow Administration tab or clicking the Survey tab on the top right of the screen. Now we are ready to create the rest of our survey. I have created a survey with 19 questions, each representing the different question types. I can change the order of these questions by dragging and dropping them. I can also delete them in the yellow administrations bar. You will notice that some of the questions are highlighted in red. That is because I have not saved my survey. Once I click Save, the questions will turn again to black. Once the survey is completed, we have several options to customize our survey as a whole. Let's go back to the Preferences tab in the Administration section. If we click on the Advanced Config button, a list of options pop up for us to choose from. Let's see how each of these options will change our survey. In the Default Password field, we can change the password so that our users can access the survey. Selecting the Random Generation checkbox will create a unique password for each user. In the drop-down menu below, we can choose which groups of nodes will have the changed password. Selecting the Show Login List checkbox will show a list of users on the login page before the users start the survey. You can allow users to add new nodes by selecting the Allow Self-Registration checkbox. The default drop-down menu lets us choose which groups we want this feature to apply. The Force to Change Initial Password checkbox prompts users to provide their own password after entering in the default password. Choosing the Survey checkbox will allow users to have access to the survey section in the menu bar on the left-hand side of the screen. The Show Survey Navigation box provides a drop-down menu that allows users to navigate between questions during or after the survey. The Require Survey Password prompts users to enter the survey password only when security is turned off. Selecting the Show Tagging Game, Show Report, and Show Visual Analytics will give users access to each of these sections on the left-hand side of the screen. The Show Raw Attributes and Report selection will allow users to see results from their users in the Report section. Checking the Show Publishing Saved Visuals box will let you, as the administrator, publish the visualizations on another website. Selecting the Show Recommendations allow users to use the Recommendations tool on the left-hand side of the screen. The Login Mode drop-down menu controls what users will see before they take the survey. Selecting Complete will allow the users to see the same interface as the admin, but without admin privileges. Selecting Survey provides a simpler interface for users, only allowing them to see the survey section. Disable On-Complete will ensure that users cannot go back and retake the survey. Clicking Save will apply our new preferences for the survey. Now that we have completed creating and customizing the survey, it is ready to be shared with the end users. To see a detailed guide on how end users are able to take the survey, see our video titled End User Guide. Now you know how to create a survey from the very first question to taking the survey as an end user. I hope you found this information helpful. Thanks for watching.